Welcome back on this alert day where we've got a tornado watch for all of northwest Ohio and southern Michigan that in effect until 11 o'clock tonight. We're monitoring several storms that are exhibiting signs of tornadic activity just to our west and to our southwest. And there could be some indications they're going to fill in this area and make their way toward northwest Ohio. So while things are fairly quiet right now, we don't have any active severe weather. Look what is occurring, though, a surge toward much warmer air. We've got a warm front that's draped across what has been a lake breeze or a boundary right off the Lake Erie shore. So this is going to be an area as well that we watch as storms enter into the region that could enhance a little bit of spinning along this boundary. 78 degrees in Findlay, 77 in Ottawa. It's turned warm and humid very quickly. And this warm front still trying to lift north and should make it up toward the state line, perhaps within the next 1 to 2 hours. Now, there's no active severe weather in our area right now, but one storm that has prompted a tornado warning. Now, this is west of Coldwater, Michigan. So this is I-69, Coldwater, Michigan. This is a storm that has prompted just east of Three Rivers a tornado warning, and it does look like strong indications of rotation within this particular storm. I'm going to examine this with the tornado warning in effect until 6:30. It's moving east at 25 miles per hour, and there are some strong indications right here east of Three Rivers. These are the storm winds. We're looking inside the thunderstorm. Indication we've got strong inflow into this particular cell, and this could be a tornado warning that exists for quite some time. I'll slice right on through this storm. It is likely producing very large hail. This is a towering thunderstorm. It could be producing hail 2 inches in diameter. It continues to trek to the east at 25 miles per hour. Heads up, it could be crossing over toward I-69 in Coldwater and eventually toward Hillsdale County. Now, next round of storms, watching this area north of Indianapolis out toward Kokomo. That's another location that storms could intensify into what is a very unstable atmosphere. There's a lot of storm energy off to the south and west, and that is going to fuel these storms and the greater risk of some tornadoes into the evening that will be along the Ohio-Michigan state line south into west central Ohio and eventually down I-75 toward Dayton and Cincinnati. So high wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour may be possible in any of the storms that do develop. Hail up to 2 inches in diameter. And at this point, with the tornado watch already in place, we'll just say it is a possibility that we get storms that exhibit some rotation this evening. It's probably going to be a little closer to about 6:30, 7 o'clock that we start to get the storms into the area. So here's the latest hour-by-hour forecast. There's the clock, 7 p.m. Storms rolling into the area and maybe more of a solid line with some embedded areas of rotation. Any of those storms could exhibit some rotation in a highly sheared and unstable atmosphere. Between 7 to 8 o'clock, they cross I-75, and it will be after dark. These storms will continue east of I-75, 9 to 10 p.m., and once we get through about 10 p.m., those storms do come to an end after dark tonight. Right around the lower 80s, returns to quiet conditions on Wednesday, and our 10-day forecast turns us cooler into Thursday. Friday dumps us back into the 60s. There will be rain showers more likely Thursday, a few showers into Friday, and a damp, cool weekend Saturday and Sunday, mid to upper 60s with additional light rain showers.